why do you think, in spite of having these two glaring examples in front of us, Congress is behaving like this, in your assessment? Because you had so many discussions with them. Your discussions with them, I think, date back to 2019.
Yeah.
Not even 2024. 2024 is just a latest memory.
Yeah.
You have had a series of discussions with them, interacted with them, held parleys with them. Why do you think, in spite of such a glaring evidence of success and failure, that Congress is behaving like this? Very, very, very genuine question from my side.
देखिए, ये तो वैसे कांग्रेस ही बता सकती है कि वो ऐसा क्यों बिहेव कर रहे हैं.
आपका असेसमेंट क्या है?
हम स्पेकुलेट कर सकते हैं, हम अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि क्या है. I have increasingly come to believe that Congress and BJP are hand in glove with each other. And this is not just at the state level. In state after state, Congress is helping BJP win elections. अभी मैंने आपको गुजरात के बाई इलेक्शंस का एग्जाम्पल दिया. कांग्रेस की वजह से बीजेपी 5 सीटें जीत गई. इफ कांग्रेस हैड हैड देयर वे, वो तो चाहते थे 6ठी सीट भी जीत जाए. गुजरात में ऐसा कहते हैं, द वर्ड ऑन द स्ट्रीट सेज कि कांग्रेस के कैंडिडेट्स की लिस्ट बीजेपी के ऑफिस में बनती है. ऐसा गुजरात में कहा जाता है. आप हरियाणा में देख लीजिए, आप दिल्ली में देख लीजिए, हर जगह कांग्रेस हैज हेल्प्ड बीजेपी फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. And where they don't, where BJP wins on their own, or where Congress does not support BJP before the elections, and Goa is you can see a prime example of this. Congress के MLAs BJP में चले जाते. 8 out of 11 MLAs from the Congress have gone into the BJP. So it's not just one state. In state after state after state, you can see that BJP and Congress are in collusion with each other.
We have come a long